guys. My name is Laura Shield. Um, I live in Illinois. um, I've done a lot of different things in my life. From being a teacher, substitute teacher in a behavioral health setting. I've done group ministry work, doing groups like that. Um, I'm now a case manager at an office, for a doctor's office. And then on top of that, I started working at a camp, prison camp, which is amazing. The unique personalities you meet over there. It seems like I've done a lot of things, just not on purpose, but now I can see where where it starts from, and the people that I work with, they all have traumas. They have so many traumas that you can really see that that's where it all started, and usually starts in the younger years. I hopefully at the end, after I finished my master's, I'm hoping I could get into hospice work. My goal is hospice work. I like to help people, and I like to help them achieve everything they have. And I actually did an internship at Senior Life Living. It's a group therapy program, and we did group sessions because they all have different traumas, and it's amazing to see how much they have that they can turn around, and at 70, 80 years old, that what happened to them in their childhood, it still haunts them today. And I like helping people understand that that's not their fault, and now you have to take responsibility because of the actions you've done, because of the trauma. It's amazing to see how they figure out how to work that whole program, and the group therapy makes them whole again. Like I said, my goal is hospice. There's a lot of things with a prison that I work at. There's a lot of people that have so many different disorders. Like I said, I want to go to hospice because it's like I've done everything. It seems like from case management to prison to groups, it seems like I kind of hit most of the high points. But I just want people to know that it's okay, and make up from their past and apologize, and just show how much people mean to their lives. The one thing that to get in, finish my master's program, I really want to delve more in now to the bipolar and personality disorders and schizophrenia. I really want to see and help them understand that there's medicine can help, but the coping skills they use, I want to see them succeed and make something of their lives. Just because they have a disease doesn't mean they can't function and be happy. So that is my next step. I really want to see to really get it more of a grasp on diseases and stuff like that. So, that's my main goal. I'm really happy to be working with you guys, and I can't wait to see you in the future. All right, bye-bye.